Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import a lot in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is to open up your project and then you will be needing simply to start importing your files, etc. So basically here in the timeline, I only have this stock media and this text. And basically you can do this for any other video. You can go to your projects media folder and you can start importing your uh, media. And also you can like just drag and drop into the timeline and they will be imported automatically. So now whenever you are selecting an object in Filmora, you will have this property panel that will be open that will show you the property of that specific object. So for example here for text you will have like the basic like text things like the format, the alignment, etc. And for the video, you will find video, color, and speed. The one that we are interested in is color. So basically here, you will find these presets that you can choose. So as you can see, you can choose any presets, etc. And let's just click on none. And basically here you will find the LUT. So make sure it is enabled. And now to import any LUT, you will need to simply click on add. So by clicking on add, it will take you to the Explorer. So from here, you will need just to locate the place where you have all your LUTs, and then you will be needing to choose your cube file. You can also add multiple ones, and basically, for example, import bulk import in your LUT. And here I'm just going to click on open. And basically, those are like the default ones, so I already have them here. So you can choose any LUT, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.